Jai Gurudev to everyone. This is Minakshi, and today I am going to take the maths of class 8, understanding quadrilaterals, lesson number 3, and this is the 8th part of this lesson, in which I am going to take the exercise number 3.4 and the question number 6. So in question number 6 it is given ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to the right angle. Explain why O is equidistant from A, B and C. The dotted lines are drawn additionally to help you. So here it is given that ABC is a right angle triangle. So here it is given ABC. This is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of side opposite to right angle. So this is the O, which is the midpoint of side opposite to right angle. So this is the right angle and this side is opposite to this right angle, and this is the midpoint. It is given opposite to the right side of the right angle. Now we have to explain here that how this midpoint O is equidistant from A, B and C. That we have to find out. And in bracket it is given that the dotted lines are drawn additionally to help you. So this dotted line is given additionally to help us to find out or to identify how O is equidistant to A, B and C. So this figure is given in this form, that is a right angle triangle, that is A, B and C, and here it is the midpoint. So this figure is only given to us and this dotted line are given to find out the answer. So here we will do the construction, because dotted line, as we have to do it as a construction. So the construction that produce BO to D such that BO is equals to OD. We have to produce BO to D, means we have to extend this line till D, and in such a way we have to extend that OB is equals to OD, means whatever how much line is given here, that same line we have to draw here, means same equal line we have to extend, and in such a way we have to extend that OB is equals to OD, and then join AD and CD. So by joining this we got a quadrilateral with 4 sides. Now we have to prove it. So here AO is equals to OC. O is the midpoint of AC, as already given in the question. This is the midpoint which is opposite to the right angle triangle and it is on line AC. So if it is a midpoint of AC, then we can say that these OA and OC are equidistant from each other. It means we can say OA is equals to OC. Now BO equals to OD. Why? Because diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD bisect each other. Here these are the two diagonals and they are bisecting each other, and if they are bisecting each other means we can say OB is equals to OD, means they both are at equidistance. Then it is given that angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. It is given in the question, that is ABC is a right angle triangle. It means angle ABC equals to 90 degree, which is given. Then if this angle is a 90 degree, it means we can say the remaining angles are also 90 degree, and here diagonals are bisecting each other, and if diagonals are bisecting each other, then we can say it is a rectangle. So therefore ABCD is a rectangle, because diagonals of the rectangle bisect each other. Here diagonals are bisecting each other, and the diagonals, that is O to B and O to D are equidistant, O to A and O to C are equidistant, as it is the midpoint. So we can say it is a rectangle, because here we have extended this line A to D and here C to D in such a manner that AB is equals to CD, and AD is equals to BD, and we know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal, each angle is 90 degree and diagonals bisect each other. So O is midpoint of AC and BD. So here we can say that O is the midpoint for both the diagonals AC and BD. Therefore AC is equals to BD. Yes, AC is equals to BD because diagonals intersecting each other, that is bisecting each other, then and the diagonals of rectangles are always equal. So if diagonals of the rectangles are equal and it is a rectangle, all angles are 90 degree, opposite sides are equal, it means OA is equals to OC, which is equals to OB. So here we have prove that O is equidistant from A, B and C. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this question is understand by you, and if you like my teaching, so please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.